The UAT, which one you referring to?
Yes, this early morning I cannot to access the language. For now it work.
Now can?
Now I can access to Lancome Singapore for testing.
Lancome Singapore.
I mean in Lancome UAT.
What's the database name?
CIM brand.
Underscore brand.
They are on same host. Yeah.
I can't connect. You want to try again?
I mean it work for now. I can access.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can. Okay, so okay, today can present, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for my
Okay. I have a question.
Yes.
Hajin?
Yes. Yes.
Currently we set up a schema on Edge server. There are different host name.
Morning, Trung. Morning, Yin.
Morning. Sorry, Chung, my side a bit break off. Can you repeat again?
Morning. I just asked a question.
Yep.
My question is, we are set up a schema database on Edge server.
Yes.
Because we have a issue when we switch to connect a different brand, it's thing called existing pool connection. Because we are set up two brand on same host. I mean CIM brand and CIM KMI on same host.
So you mean you cannot have both country and brand in the same database? You see what I say?
Nghĩ là không thể để hai cái đấy trên cùng một cái server. Hay là hai cái DB
không để được server.
Nó hỏi mình, ý mình là thế thì anh trả lời đúng không? Không phải, mà ý là bảo bây giờ đang gặp vấn đề như thế nhưng mà chúng tôi sẽ tìm cách giải quyết. Hey Jin.
Yes.
This is Robert. Now we just not connect access to database in same server, but today we will find solution to resolve that issue.
Okay.
Okay. Bây giờ anh respect đi. Em bảo là hôm nay thì sẽ tìm cách giải quyết cái đấy. Bây giờ đến lượt anh nghị biểu diễn đi.
Okay.
Anh cứ bạn nói đi.
Okay, so if just connect one brand in SIT, does it work? Or are you able to demo the get customer?
Yeah, I can demo for now.
Okay, you can show us.
Sẽ hết này chứ. Hả?
Sẽ hết kiểu gì?
Em tai screen này đã.
Đây.
Chị vào đây.
Okay.
Và em xem nó nhìn thấy màn hình mình chưa?
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hello. Can you see my screen?
Yep, can.
Yeah. I will show you get your customer API. From client side, we will they will call get the customer. It called SIB API. Yeah.
Okay.
I have set it to SIB server on my local host.
Okay.
From SIB, I change a small chain here. We don't call to call API from brand API. We will redirect call to middleware. This is localhost middleware and call get customer API.
Question.
Yeah.
Changing the domain, the URL is fine, but is it possible to not change the code for the parameter? Is it possible so that we don't need to change?
Yeah, we don't change
So, for
any
example,
parameter from
so the question mark XS underscore app equals brand API. Can we leave it? Because if we are saying that we have to change to / get customer, it means we have to make change to all HIP, all country API codes.
No, the get customer is middleware.
Yeah,
He is
so that
forwarding
means
the request to middleware.
yeah, so that means my country API I have to change all the URL.
No, this is not in country.
This is country.
This is inside. No, but this is inside my. Let's say we host this off cloud. This local host 9090 port is actually in cloud. This is our API server, right?
Mm-hmm. But I mean this code, right? This code is country code, right? So previously we use the brand CRM URL, then plus this / whatever. This is the how we direct to the API. But now we are changing to for get customer, we are changing to / get customer.
Yeah.
So
yes.
which means so I'm just saying that so we need to note that we have to change all country API codes.
But we haven't touched a country yet. What?
This is country code.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm lost. Eugene, you need to explain. Let me go into the room.
I'm outside. I'm at the port.
Oh, got it. Oh, hold on, I call over.
Cái ISO country nó chuyển parameter sang không? Thế rồi.
Không thể nói gì nữa.
Yeah, so
Can we
hold on, Chung, hold on. So right, this is HIP. That means this is country.
we can continue.
Who on first? I try to explain to Marcus.
Hi, I'm in. Just came in.
Có được làm gì đâu.
Sorry, Trung, can you show that code again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
So yeah,
is
I'm trying to explain to Marcus. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is country code.
Yes.
So he's trying to call this middleware.
Yes.
So
So the country
he-
calls. Yes.
Yes, great. So he's changing this API URL
Yes.
to the middleware endpoint.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just saying that because the URL format is very different.
Yes.
So question is, so we have to change all country API codes to cater all the different endpoint now. Because not last time is like that, ma. Last time is this. Here is the fixed one, like localhost 1990.
Yes.
Then we append this one.
Yes.
So now for the middleware, I have to change to, for get customer, I have to change to /get customer
Yes.
instead of this.
Because we're basically changing, instead to point to brand, we point to one central server.
Yeah, so that means I have to change the country API code lah.
Have
So
a,
change to, I have changed
Every-
the API code to,
but every country need to change, right?
because of this. Normally we don't need ma, because the brand API is in the config. The brand domain URL is in the config. Now is the endpoint, the /get
I
customer.
know. I'm trying to understand. I think I feel stupid today. I don't understand.
Maybe I didn't explain. So if we have to change, that means we have to change to the country code.
Regardless, all country needs to change to be point to a new
Middleware.
middleware.
Yeah, so I thought that initially I thought that this part can no need to change. I just need to change all this config for the brand CRM URL to all same middleware URL.
Oh.
So I thought it's only this part change.
But cannot, right? Because he still has different payload, right? No?
Payload the same. I think he just now he said that he won't touch the other parameters. It's just changing the URL.
Oh, okay. So your approach is, can we just change this
Can we just
variable?
leave it? That means this leave it. Yeah, just change this. Because if like this, that means I have to change all API to check. If it's a middleware, I call this endpoint. If it's not a middleware, I leave it as is.
Can. That means in the middleware layer, we translate.
In the
When we get the
root level,
parameter,
right?
when we get the parameter, we route.
Yeah.
Also can. I understand now. Thank you.
Okay. True.
yeah.
Wait,
I got to go back.
Okay, so I was okay. My concern is right. We want to minimize change in the country code. This HIP get customer code. Okay.
Yeah.
So I understand your code, but if I don't want to change, that means this line 100, the one that you commented, right? Access app equals brand dot get customer. Can we leave it as it is? Then your middleware, right? You detect the access app parameter and route to get customer. You understand?
Là nó không muốn thay đổi cái dòng 100 này đâu.
Thì sao?
Thì nó gọi là kiểu có cách nào để mà cái middleware của mình nó bắt được cái dòng 100 này không?
Sao bắt được cái dòng 100 này? Mình đâu có dùng cái brand này nữa đúng không?
Cái này sẽ thay ở đâu?
So maybe there's a layer before to get the parameter access app, and then you detect, then you reroute the middleware will route to the actual endpoint /get customer. Is it possible?
You mean use the existing configuration, the endpoints, so that the country level, right, don't only need to change the domain.
Yep.
Nếu không trên cái domain này thì sao chọn được?
Cái đấy nó khai báo một nơi nhỉ?
Hả? as my understand, you don't want to change code in 100 line. You want to change a brand CMYL in config file, right?
Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, Eugene. So basically, we want to use this, yes, correct. So brand CRM, why? Because
Correct.
if we change, then we need to test all the country CRM, making
Yep.
sure everything's correct again. So we minimize changes to country. Best is just the domain. Then we test the middleware. After everything tested, then slowly we can improve things. Yeah.
Yes.
So we go phase by phase.
Là nó muốn cái nó không muốn thay đổi, bởi vì bây giờ nó thay đổi thì nó test lại tất cả các country.
Cái country.
Đây là cái này là cái country đúng không? Cái IP là country. Tức là bây giờ mà mỗi thay đổi này thì nó sẽ test hết các country. Nó muốn chỉ thay đổi cái này thôi.
Cái nào?
Cái value chuyển vào cái brand CMI URL.
Cái này là
Biết rồi, bên này thế thì cái đám này mình phải đi tích tất cả bên kia.
Đúng rồi. Thì mình sẽ tạo một cái, mình sẽ tạo cái value ấy, cái value ở trong cái REST controller của mình đúng là cái này. Đúng không?
Nhưng mà cái tên API sao?
Còn cái này thì mình sẽ là localhost.
Bây giờ bây giờ nhưng mà cái này thì sao? Thì cái này bên kia mình cái tên mình có đổi cái này không?
Anh mở sang cái service của mình, cái service của mình, cái REST controller của mình.
Đây.
Nếu thế thì cái này nó cũng phải thay đổi.
Đúng rồi.
Thế mà anh mở cái service của mình này.
Service này. Đây.
Đúng rồi, cái controller, cái REST controller. Không, cái anh đang đấy ở đây.
Đây, đang có đây, còn đây.
Còn đây.
Đây này.
Đâu nhỉ? Đây này, cái get customer này. Đấy, anh bảo bây giờ nếu mà thế thì cái này sẽ phải chuyển, anh copy cái kia sang đây. Đấy, anh chuyển cái này.
Thì giống từ đảo. Đây không?
Đấy là đây.
Can I try to explain?
Yeah, if we don't want to change anything in this API of SIP server, or we just change brand CRM URL in config file, but but we have to change name of API in middleware. We don't use get customer. We have to change it to like this.
The existing endpoints lah. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
So you use the XS app brand blah 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 blah.
Yeah. You.
So this is what you're saying, right, Eugene? So currently your variable is this brand CRM URL.
Yep.
Correct. And old is we're going to the old CRM access now.
Yeah.
So you're saying that the easiest way is, of course, we just replace it instead of changing anything to the new middleware, which is going to point to middleware. Correct?
Yes.
So the parameter doesn't change. So middleware needs to be able to translate this parameter. So at this place, probably you probably need to do a get the XS app, okay? So you'll be able to know that that will be your brand API plus get customer, right? So here you already know brand equals to something, and you already know API equals to something. That's what we're saying, right?
Yes.
In my limited programmer understanding. So from this, you will be then able to go back here. Correct? Yes.
Your brand is a database, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Right.
Correct. So here we know where to route, and we know which middleware API to use, which is get customer.
Yes.
Trung, is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Actually, we just change name. Name of API in middleware. From SIP we don't need to change anything to code. Yeah, we just change config value here.
Very good. Okay, back to you.
Okay. Okay, you can continue. Thank you.
So from middleware, sorry, from SIP we call API. We get send request to middleware.
Sorry, Trung, can you share your screen again?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Share screen.
Trên nền web mà cũng share được screen rồi.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, from middleware we will call API. Sorry, for SIP we will call API at middleware, and
Okay.
yeah, at middleware we will get data from get customer API. The first I will detect API based on signature and ISO country. Sorry, detect DB. Well, we have to set up middleware DB on DB. As I mentioned yesterday, I just create database config in CIM brand temporary. We will have to define a server database server to store this only table.
So we still need
Yeah,
database. Is it?
if we same brand yeah.
Okay. Yesterday
We
you mentioned use
need
all,
only table for this.
so still need database, right? Yes,
Yeah.
no, yes. Okay.
We will for other field in config file. We will define config for each brand. But for database, we should define one table to store on mapping. Yeah, we will use a brand code and country code to detect correct database. Yeah. It's you can see it's quite slow because we try to connect via VPN. Actually, it is fast. Yeah, this is respond after respond from middleware. Yeah, the format is same format from our current brand API. Currently, I didn't complete on mapping, but I will complete by end of today for customer API. Yeah, yes, it's my it's a result of customer API for now. Do you have any question?
Okay, so the mapping still not done yet, right? So it's just based on the current logic.
No. The for logic, I keep current logic in brand API. Don't change anything. Yeah, for detect DB, we can detect right now. But we have an issue for with connection pool. But however, Jim and Robert will resolve it and today.
Okay, so the next thing is the field mapping, right? So you will need to do the field mapping for the APIs.
Yeah.
Currently, we don't have.
Yeah. We can test API directly by Swagger. Yeah. This is main parameter. I will add some optional parameter here. Yeah, you can.
Okay, you already checked in the codes, right? It's in GitLab, right?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah. And after we resolve connection pool when we change VN, it will switch to other brand and yeah, as brand database. But for now, it's still called previous connection pool.
Okay. So summarize, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So you already replicated get customer API in middleware.
Yeah.
So the issue now we have is for different database, we cannot connect to different database.
Yeah. I think it takes 2 or 3 hours to resolve it.
Okay, so we can resolve this by today, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
and today Robert will complete get membership ID API. Jim will complete get voucher API.
so for that
yeah,
still not complete yet because supposed to be ready by today, right?
yeah.
So are we behind time? One day behind.
Có đúng chữ B2 không? B2 one day.
Sorry, we don't understand. Behind me, can you explain?
Wait, let me get the project timeline. Do you have the project timeline?
Are we delayed by one day?
Yeah. We release the H API for 8 day, 1 day.
No, so in overall timeline, are we delayed?
Maybe you want to show the estimation plan.
cái gì cái timeline release ấy.
Okay, I'm using Google Translate. Delay is 3 Huan. Is that correct? Delay. No one's listening to me.
I don't understand you.
Can you typing?
Can you typing in message?
Okay, type.
Yeah.
I cannot copy and paste. Hold on.
Tại vì mình bảo cái slide mà một ngày thì nhưng bây giờ mình đã bị cuốn vào cái slide nó sẵn
Delay là
okay.
I pasted in our group chat.
delay.
Oh, no delay. Delay is correct, right? 3 Huan. You on track. Okay.
Delay. No. I am waiting for one day.
One API per day.
Oh, I mean one API per day for 8 people.
So you type not delay, right? That means we are still okay.
Yeah, no delay.
Okay. Okay. 3 Huan. This is not a word that I like to use. What's a good word? Teach us a word today. Come on. Trung, give us a Vietnamese word today.
Yeah.
Teach us one Vietnamese word. What word will you want to teach us today?
một từ tiếng Việt đi.
Okay. Cảm ơn. Thank you. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn is thank you.
Yeah, cảm ơn is thank you.
How you know?
Yeah. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn gì đó. Thank you is come. How come different one? Cảm ơn. Is it correct?
Right. Yeah. It's correct.
Cảm ơn.
Yeah. It's very good. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Yeah.
Okay. Cảm ơn.
Yeah.
Okay, cảm ơn.
So that's all from us today.
Okay.
Yeah. I will update a detail in estimation in estimation file.
Okay, we'll do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any question? Yeah.
Not for me. Oh, no.
Nope.
Okay.
Maybe more on the infra side lah.
Yes.
Later.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is where we go. Cảm ơn.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Speak again. Say.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.